Back again. Stephen Brown, Lee County Extension. Question is, do plants need fertilizer to grow, to look good, to be healthy, to be productive? What's your answer? Plants often need to be fertilized when they're grown in containers in a nursery. For example, look at this right here. This is called chlorosis, a yellow plant, meaning there is deficiency right here of a particular or several plant nutrients. Look at its neighbor right here. Look how much healthier this is. This is all green, so this plant is being well fertilized. There's the difference. Chlorosis, not healthy. Green leaves, good, healthy, strong plant. In this case, plants do need fertilizer to grow well. Here in this beautiful garden, we have examples of the right plants being in the right place. To my left, heliconias. To my right, elephant ear. Aren't they beautiful? And even with yet bigger leaves are these Monstera deliciosa. Perfect environment. Right plants in the right place. And this was accomplished by several gardening techniques. High shade, but more importantly, we have soil that have reached an equilibrium with the plant. And here to tell us a little bit more about this is Betsy.
Hi everyone, welcome to Buckingham. The reason the soil is so good and the plants grow well is the fact that I have tree trimmers bring me mulch all the time, and then all the leaves and things from the yard go into the mulch, and it's 30 years of composting.
Well, she said it all, but I'm going to explain a little bit further of exactly what has happened here. Let's go down below here. We see this heterogeneous litter, 20, 30 years of mulch, and an equilibrium has now been set up between the plants and the soil with respect to the nutrients being released back into the plant roots by litter, organic matter decomposition from all of what she's doing right. Initially, even if you have the right plants in the right places, the plants may actually need a little bit of fertilizer to assist them in their development until the time that there is equilibrium between plants and soil with respect to nutrients being taken up by the plant roots. However, in certain situations, plants do need fertilizers to look their very best. Take for instance here, we have a monoculture of plant. In addition to that, the soil itself was actually trucked in from other location. It's what we call fill material, very poor soil to begin with. Let's take a look at the plant itself. To my right, this plant is showing symptoms of potassium and phosphorus deficiencies. And to my left, you can see iron deficiency on this particular plant. In between and all around is this homogeneous mulch. Not good diversity as far as returning back plant nutrients to the soil. And below that is the fill material, the poor soil to begin with. That's the challenge that these plants are facing. So in some situation, you definitely have to apply fertilizer to enhance plant growth and to make them look their very best. Here in this native Florida ecosystem, plants definitely don't need fertilizer to look good and to survive. They've been growing like this unattended for eons, and here's the reason why. In this community of plants, there is a great diversity of palm, hardwood, softwood, ferns, everything is here. Eventually what happens, these plants will eventually die. And as they die, such as in this cabbage palm, their material, the dead material, falls to the ground. And guess what happens? It is this accumulation of plant litter on the flowers floor that is responsible for this natural recycling of plant nutrients back into the ground. This is a very heterogeneous material. It decomposes, and what happens is the plant nutrient then absorb the nutrients that has been released back into the soil. When this happens, we have a natural cycle that, if unbroken, will supply the plant with nutrients for what they need without any fertilizer. This doesn't happen in many tended landscape where we cultivate plants in what we call gardens and landscape. While not all plants need fertilizer, they all need nutrients, and they can either get it from naturally recycled material or fertilizer, or frequently from a combination of both sources. So, do plants need fertilizer to grow and look well, to reproduce well? Well, obviously it depends where you put the plant, and in many cases the answer is yes. But in other cases, the answer is no. Here is a natural fit-in of plants in a natural setting. This is Stephen Brown with the Lee County Extension Service in Southwest Florida, and I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Lee County Extension is a partnership between the USDA, the University of Florida IFAS, and Lee County government.